Earth's relatively thin atmosphere primarily consists of a mixture of nitrogen, 78%, and oxygen, 21%, gases. The remaining 1% contains several inactive gases: argon, neon, helium, hydrogen, and xenon, and several other gases that vary in concentration: water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, and chlorofluorocarbons. Although water vapor and carbon dioxide make up a very small amount of the gases in Earth's atmosphere, they are very important because of their ability to absorb heat. Throughout the upcoming modules, you will learn much more about why and how the concentrations of water vapor and carbon dioxide vary. Earth's atmosphere has a series of layers, each with its own specific traits. Moving upward from ground level, these layers are named the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The exosphere gradually fades away into the realm of interplanetary space. The atmosphere's division of layers depends on how temperature changes with height. 1. Troposphere. Temperature decreases from 17 degrees Celsius to -51 degrees Celsius. Characteristics. 1. It is the lowest region of the Earth's atmosphere. 2. It is where we live and most weather occurs. 3. It is where the ground-level ozone is found. It is considered as bad ozone because it is an air pollutant that damages human health, vegetation, and many common materials. 2. Stratosphere. Temperature increases from -51 degrees Celsius to -15 degrees Celsius. Characteristics. 1. It is the only layer where jets can travel. 2. It is where the protective ozone is found. It is considered as good ozone because it protects life on Earth from the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet (UV) rays. Characteristics of the ozone, O3. 1. It comprises 90% of the stratosphere. 2. It is found between 16 and 48 kilometers, 10 and 30 miles, above the Earth's surface. 3. Mesosphere. Temperature decreases up to -100 degrees Celsius. Characteristics. 1. It is the coldest region of the atmosphere. 2. It extends from the top of the stratosphere to an altitude of about 90 kilometers. 3. It is the layer that protects the Earth by burning up meteors while entering the atmosphere. 4. Thermosphere. Temperature increases from 500 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius. Characteristics. 1. Its air molecules are 1 kilometer apart. 2. It is the first layer exposed to the sun's radiation, and so it is first heated by the sun. 3. It is often considered the hot layer because it contains the warmest temperatures in the atmosphere. 4. It is the layer where satellites are found. 5. It is where the ionosphere is found. Characteristics of ionosphere. 1. It is the lower part of the thermosphere. 2. It allows long-distance radio communication by reflecting the radio waves back to Earth. 3. It is where the aurora borealis, or northern lights, are an ethereal display of colored lights shimmering across the night sky, is found. 5. Exosphere temperature varies from very hot to very cold. Characteristics. 1. It is the upper part of thermosphere. 2. It is the actual final frontier of Earth's gaseous envelope. 3. It is where rockets travel. Thank you for watching. This video is edited by a grade 2 student named Avila from Ballard Elementary School. She learned this from her mother. If you want to learn editing, just message us.